How to post videos, not post on Pinterest. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from Geek. In today's video, I'll show you how you can upload videos to Pinterest, not pins, not photos, but videos. So make sure to simply watch this video till the end. Now basically, if I just go ahead and then launch the Pinterest app, and if I want to upload a pin, I would have to tap on the plus button, and if I select the option called pin, I'll only be able to see the photos which are on my gallery. I also have videos on my phone, by the way, but you won't be able to find the option of videos. That is because on the pin section, Pinterest will not let you upload videos. So instead, what we have to do is just open Pinterest again, tap on the plus button, and this time you have to select the option called idea pin, not pin, but as I said, to upload and post videos you have to select idea pin. So just tap on it, and to select the idea pin, as you can see, it will basically show all of the videos. And if you want to upload one of these videos to Pinterest, just go ahead and select it up. You can also select multiple ones if you want, but I'll just keep it at one, for example, and I'll tap on the next button located at the top right corner. Now I can go ahead and then just edit this video. I can clip it, I can add a text, I can add music, stickers, and draw them and add some fancy colors to it as well. But assuming that everything is just picture perfect for me, I'll just tap on the next button again, which is at the top right corner of the screen. Now as I've done that, you have to simply enter a title for this idea pin, which is really optional, by the way. You can add some details, you can pick a board. Now this process is compulsory. You have to save this video to your board, and also keep in mind that if your board is private, your video is going to be private. If your board is public, your video is going to be watchable by everyone on Pinterest. And just tap on the publish button from the bottom. That's all it takes to post videos on Pinterest. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you've got any more questions, queries, or doubts, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.